Uh, I lost my crown. Yeah, it's instead 82 thirds. You cannot. Hey, did listen to my... Get out of here. Oh! Hey, you did what? Hey, now we cannot tell forever. Oh! I have to talk the birds. Later in the bird island. Dad. Okay. Now we have the salt paintings. Red. What you want, King Pig? Why you not have a crown? Because someone strangers is kidnap my crown. Stop crying. Stop. Where you go? Little and the clowns. Everyone is here to fight it. And then prepare to the... What is that? Oh, the new player is Star. Wait, what do you mean? I am red. Hey, bitch. Huh? What are you? I'm one of the Fall Guys. And then everyone is the pig. One-headed. No. It's not to hate him. It's to the hearts. It's the race. Oh, the race? What the hell is this? This is actually race. The race is right that black block. What the shit is this? Quick! The race is starting! What? What do you mean? Please. What are the numbers? Go! What? Wait, what? What? Where are you going? What? Just keep going. It's the race. Okay. Wait for me. Ow! Hey, stop! Oh shit! I can't hold this. Excuse me now. Hey, this is not fair. Oh, hey, wait. Oh my God, there's a lot of hurts. Hey, what is going on here? Class? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, it's pushing me. Get it. Oh no, that headrest is mine. That headrest makes fine. Let's see the how to you can pass. Everyone's falling down. Everyone's falling down. But poor kiddo, it can't go already. Okay. Whoa. Oh. This keeps by me. One founder is fine, and the others have a more be careful with this substance. Okay. Don't. Alright, this is fine. Hey, I'm back again. Wait for me. I am only Digo. Surely. Okay. I need to turn Let's just run. Boom. Oh, it's red spin. It starts spinning. Okay, fire. Hi, good. Haha. Oh. What the hell is so good? I'm a first place. Oh, it disappeared. And where is the second one? What is this? The water does this steroids is break the president down. And classifies the dog, classifica captain, classifica doctor, classifica daughter baby, classifica pirate, classifica island, classifica book of God, classifica of Hansel, classifica of a doctor. Round over. Oh, we're lost. Play tell for the other players. I can't believe it, I lost. Alright, who's gonna be eliminated? That's the porky though. No. I promise. No, you're animated. No! Holy shit. I can't bother her center highs. I can't return. And then pull the pig. Oh, no. The turtles. And Peter. Parker. Oh no, I'm not Peter Parker. I am Border Parker! And 10 qualified to survive. Oh, great. Oh, and now I live in Wi-Fi. As I forget to do this. Haha. Now let's go to the next game. The game is what? The Spinosaurus Tommy. Tommy. And I've got the great one. It's gonna be turned fast. And then it turned out to spine. And one player is gonna be here anymore. One player. But he gonna survive because he's gonna fall the time. Excuse me. Alright. And the game starts. Okay, check. Now 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh. I say to have the music now. There we go. Oh, I am here. Oh, I guess handsome will be an animator. Wanted to fall? I choose this one. Oh shit! I get it. Water. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, what I am right here, right now. All is found first. Okay, I can't do the that's it. So difference. I choose that big one because it's destroy anything. I can't. Yoink. Oh. Ronta's enemy. And the last choose will be the what is it? The black one. Oh shit, I gotta jump. Hey, get out of my body. Oh no, you can't. Oh, holy shit. Oh no, please, mister, I promise. And the round's over. Really? Okay, let's see as a winner. And the animated is the Island Pig. No. Yeah. And Dr. Pig too. No. Handsome Pig. The Potter Pig. No. I am a turkey guy. I do. And Captain. Oh no. And a brown too. And 5 is Wi-Fi. And let's see, you can't get the crown today. And now this is. Now let's go to the last round. In the last round, what? Race to the crown. Oh, that crown's gonna be mine. No, that crown is gonna be mine because it's gonna be a double crown for me, and I will be the true player of the Fall Guys. What's Fall Guys? It's the pathetic guys is all stupid and fall down like a Betty of Hudson. And the round started. Oh, I forget to show you a button toaster to go on the crown. Da. 3, 2, 1. The blackest toys have a crown there. And the crown is the crown of King Pig. The crown of King Pig? That's gonna be mine. No, that's gonna be mine. 3, 2, 1, and start. Oh, let's go. We have to do this. Now. And the one is fell down and died. Yeah. What's this one? This one? Oh! Hey, he's cheating. But it's okay, it's tough. Thank you to build up. Now we have some pots there. Whoa! Okay, got it. I'm going to hurry up your headphones. Going. Now you jump. Now the 3 is alive. And what's gonna win? Only one player is gonna win this round. Huh? Okay. So, I will show you gonna be good. Ha! Look at the squid. That's right, boy. Now the turn. You get hunted me. What? Oh, you terrible. Why you don't fall? It's because it's how to turn out and then over the tree. Why is me, sister? Just let me get the ground before he's a start about how to. And the round's over. Wait, what? I got them. I told you that best. What? No! This can't be. Why you wait? It's coming. To sacrifice. And let's get the heart. And then the animators what was a baby. No. The doctor. And then the pirate, and then 2 red. Oh no, I got a hut. So long as you lie, fin this down. Oh no. So long. Are you idiot? No. Oh no. Oh. And then the winner is the Fall Guy crown. Yes, I'm the winner. And you put a crown there. You have to get the champion, the true Fall Guys in the world. Thank you. And now I have to interpret this. Hey, what you are not faster to the what you had in there? Cause you never told eyes. The bad way to 10 moment. Wait, what? With the pace this. And now that turn. Yes, okay. And now the hover done. The round one not over yet. And now it turns its size. It's not gonna be over yet. It's gonna be true final. What? Welcome to where files instead of hers. We're found about it. Wait, there's more this lost. Where? Hey, what is going on? I don't know how it's happened to Kevin. What? It happened to Kevin. What's happened to Kevin? It's because the Kevin is eaten by mommy always. He's a winning before. He's eating white. It's because in the powerful twist. I'm not that Potter. He's a good pig. And if it is, and then his kitty trader was supposed to die. And then if it is like, I have something question. What? The lingo guy is alive. It can't be. How he is alive? It's because getting him the power of them makes us satellite alive. And now we're stuck in the Poking Hill. And Corporal saved us. And the King Pigs told us is a mysterious grove. Is a Potter 100. Are you thinking not? I need to better find to stop this. And then we're gonna happen. I'm gonna get fat. But mean it what to start. This is all dumb is stupid. What the? You're the zero suit? Yes, I'm a zero suit, and I am fat pig. And if this is a I turned all this is a polluter in the shut up. So how there's no way. There's no way to get out of here because we're stuck in the violence vent. And the flutter hit us. It's your true Hawaii. And we're foul. Yeah. This is thing together. Tactic Victor could be things. Glad is a Tommy is surprised, but he's not. They have to get again. It's happy. But it is a part of the Hawaii. We have to figure this out. Everyone. What? 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 I have something to say. We're not just a past. You're a tie. And then you can fall. You're like a corporal pig. Shut up and go get back. And now, that guy, Fall Guy King, is got the crown of King Pig. Got the crown of King Pig? Yes, he is stutter and kidnapped. We have to find them and back it up. It's seriously. What are you looking for? This is a hot fight. It's a crown. We together. We're gonna have this statue in the crown. Yes! Yes, sir. Yeah. And now, how am I gonna get out of here? Oh, what is going on? Why is everything gone dark? Why is it passing as dark and obvious fence? I don't know. And enter the violent reflex begin. What? Oh no! This is the end. Now we gotta do. Everyone, let's get out of our doors. He's going fast. He's in the right door. Everyone, run for your lives! Oh no! Alright, let's go. Let's go together. Alright. And now, let's get going. And now, enter first. Let's get the head out. First, we need to get that one towards front light. Hey, what are you doing? And now, let's go to the 2 and stop that guy. Fall guys. Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Keep that cave staying alive. Later in the Salter in the true final round. And now the Fataliers will make another with skins. Oh yeah, skin, yeah. And there we go. And now more skin. What is it? The skins! Yes! The more skins. More. And now the turn. I can head to the crown in my 2-4. And now hurry you turtles. What? You angry bird. Angry one. Take that crown and the surface on up. Yes, sir. And now that. A lot. What? A lot. That we rolls escape. What? Let me see. You fools. And now it's oh no. Oh no, chill. I just remember. I got out of here. What you gonna do? We are free. And my crown is under the top and the up. What? Right the up. The. Yes, up and there. And after all, it's gonna be true hound, the true final hound of the road. That's right. And then I go to suicide. And then the turn of champions and of a turtle. And if I ever turn out rebellion, yeah! Yes, let's go Avatar. And the final true round begin. Let's go. Oh hell no. Let's get a catch up. Go, I'm going to. Oh, what's going on? Oh, that was a bonfire. Alright, let's get to this. Get down. That crown's gonna be mine. Boy. Oh yeah, no, I can be more. Oh shit. What are you gonna do about the CP? I passed! What? You idiot! Pigs! My army! Got them! On this way! What are you gonna do about that? It's just... Alright, look. I got... Hey, you going to fetch that... Go to... That crown is mine. Oh shit. What you gonna do? Hey guys. Yeah. In the start, here's the Holy King. The Rock. Let's get up. Rock. Oh no. Ned Parker. Red, go get the crown of keeping. Aha, that crown is mine. I get. Oh, oh, Red is actually giving up. Red. He did it with user manifest like after. It's time to get angry. The slingshot test. Get ahead, do this. What? That crown was mine. Hey! Looks like Red is win! Haha! Hi, Nemki. Oh, amazing. No, you idiot! How you did to me, my crown. It's over. You're dead. Good. Listen. You get the crown. No. You idiot. Just stop it. I am darts on your bot. And tomorrow I get up. Alright, Red. Thanks to back the crown of our King Pig. Thanks, you too. And now, I got to return. Now, let's get home. Alright, let's get head to the King Pig's round. Laytonian Castle. Where? Here's your crown. Oh, my crown. And now I will be the other king. Thank you guys. Oh, your crown is back. Why? Because red and red will be. You will be my service. It's a turn there. Yes. Congratulations. Given? Yes, it's me. And I'll turn congratulations to win the crown of keeping. Thank you, Kevin. See you at the side. Alright. Now I gotta go home. Why are you so sad? Because the Kevin's listened to me. So I did it. The Kevin's dead. He is ghost. And if I to a door. Wait a minute. We have to prepare the Halloween. Oh, we have to prepare in the Halloween. Let's go. Alright. Let's call all the guys together. I better think. Nothing right now. And a bit long time. And I'll find things. Yes, Bobby. And now we gotta prepare to the ball. And now let's prepare the creatures. And the creatures of the room. It's just King Pig's dad. Continue.